So, do these just snap out, or do you have to cut them out?
You cut them out.
Wow, and then there's a little piece
No,
of
these
wood.
snap out.
And then you sand them down?
These snap out, then you cut out the papers.
And then the papers you cut out.
Yeah.
Wow. Oh my God, Dante. Wow, they actually have like real names and stuff on them?
Yeah.
King Arthur and his knights? Oh, Shakespeare? I love it. It's not even spelled the way we usually spell Shakespeare. 20,000 Leagues Under the Sea.
Yeah.
Grimm's Fairy Tales. There's 2 of those. It's a 2-volume set.
Yeah.
This is really cool. We should buy all these books in real life.
Yeah.
We have some of them.
You can build a library.
We have Shakespeare. Oh, I have a pretty good library.
Like, we can make a little hidden...
Maybe we can make our own bookshelves or something.
Yeah. I thought about turning my bedroom into a different whole scene, an Asian scene.
That would be super awesome.
I was thinking about getting rid of the bed and just having
screen.
mats on the floor.
Mm-hmm.
You know, putting everything against the wall.
Let's do it.
I'm gonna do it.
I'm game. Let's do it. Let's mix it up.
5.